This is the Neptune Spa Suite. And the first thing that stands out to me is how much floor space is in here. It's just a big open space, even more so than I think some of the other suites.
It's a lighter color too.
It is. And then lots of storage like the other ones. Beautiful bed area with all the amenities of the other rooms that we've seen. We've got a little, maybe a cappuccino here, coffee. And nice sitting area. I guess that could be like an extra day bed here. And let's sneak into the bathroom. We've got the beautiful big glass doors with the rain. I don't know what you call it. Shower head. And the ones on the side. And the chair. Very nice.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And this, of course, is a balcony as well. So Kimbra's going to Vanna White us out there. Okay, this is cool. This is kind of a standard balcony, but really nice with the comfy chairs. Does ours have comfy chairs like that?
We don't have comfy chairs.
So you get the comfy chairs.
But we have legs.
And of course, there's a plane flying by because I'm filming. And
I think ours is a little wider, though.
Okay, yeah, ours does feel a little wider, but the floor space inside is quite remarkable. Very cool.